Madam Coordinator. Indeed, I agree with our coordinator that the title of my paper is catchy. In fact, the second word itself is the source of controversy, philandering. But later on, you would know why I use the word philandering. So the task that I have volunteered to discuss for this symposium is to present an assessment of the past and present of UST political science. By UST political science, I do not intend to limit its use to the program, which by its formal sense restricts itself to the curriculum and the various courses offered. I include here the community of faculty and students who have animated the program for several decades now, since its inception in the university in the academic year 1971 to 1972. We are talking here of the undergraduate program of UST Political Science. However simple this task may appear to most of you, my senses tell me that it is bound to encounter some difficulties arising mainly from my personal circumstances. Considering the batch where I belong, I don't think that I can give anyone a full, detailed account of what took place in our program's distant past. Though I can only speak credibly about this status of our program starting in the last decade or even earlier. Moreover, the temptation for me to discuss things from a historical perspective is very strong, since it saves me from painstaking hours of trying to make sense of our past. Nevertheless, I prefer to stick to my humble goal of trying to make sense of our past and present. In doing so, I want to give you the caveat or warning that my talk will avoid the idea of assessing the development of our political science program against a set of abstract principles and ideals and aspirations whose exogenous origins render their emulation impossible and absurd. Instead, my assessment of the development of our program will be based on the ideals and aspirations that it has been aspiring for. Let me begin with a discussion of the approach that I have used here. Hegel once taught us that momentous events would become historical markers because they show the contours of the history of mankind. Historical markers indicate the shifts in history's direction. Of course, the idea of history as proceeding along a single line or direction is joined with the idea that there exists an abstract principle or ideal which needs realizing in every historical point through the collective action of people composing an organization like a state.
What do I envision for political science 5 years from now? Well, first, there are several areas to consider. First, we consider the curriculum. I hope to have a revitalized curriculum by 5 years. A curriculum attuned to the growing needs of the times. So we are trying to work it out. And second, of course, just to reiterate what they were telling us, we hope to have PhD professors by 5 years. In fact, not just 5 years, probably by 2 to 3 years from now, hopefully. A good profile for faculty members who are much aligned in their expertise in the political field. And of course, a good profile for our students. You know, we maintain students from first year to fourth year. You know, yung hindi kami nagbabagsak ng kalahati. So we want to screen them a little bit and have them graduate altogether. And what else? To also reiterate what Dr. Jimenez has said, we hope to have the departmentalization done by 5 years. And ambitious this may be, but I would want to quote Dr. Tampo of having political science as the center of excellence. That would be quite ambitious, but we are all hoping for that. Now, I would want to cut the open forum short for a heart-stopping moment.
Heart-stopping moment?
It's heart-stopping because he always comes very early for the merienda. and a privilege for both of us. The next paper presenter doesn't need much introduction. What can I say about him? No. From the point of view of the woman coordinator, I think that is really debatable. A very short introduction to the Executive Director of the LogoDel, my senior of 5 years, Professor.
Yes!
Magandang hapon po. First, of course, I'd like to express my apologies. This activity has been scheduled way before, but originally it's scheduled on Valentine's Day. I did not make any appointment on Valentine's Day because of this event.